Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I tell you my people, una welcome. You see my skin? You see I just want to tell you that there is power in understanding of whiteness, in oils, in lotions, whatever you think your formulation is, there is power and understanding in whitening. Now, some people, if you might not understand the logic about whitening or the formula about whitening, you will burn your skin. Not only burn your skin, you condemn your skin. Then when you get to the age of 50 and above, you'll be regretting it. Oh, who sent me? Nobody sent you, just you try to be something good. That's why I want to give you a very simple formula that you can use and it will help you. Now, how about you make a simple blend of oil for yourself? You can call it whitening or promising organic or organic promising. How to promise just only one organic item. Are you getting it? That we'll be using with some other additives. And when I mean additives, any other items that you're going to add. Now I want you to see this as our base. Now this is our base. What oil is this? You all know this oil. So let's use this as our base. And one thing about this oil is oil that I will always advise everybody to use because it's good for the skin. This is avocado they use making it. It's very good, and you all know avocado is antioxidant as well. It's good for the skin, for moisturizing. So anytime you see argan oil, we have different type of argan oil. Mostly this one that made with avocado is very good for your skin. Always add it to your lotion. I'm not just doing it as a review to just create a content, but to pass information to you. And you that you've been looking up to other oils, you can give a try to have this argan oil. We have different type of argan oil. Are you getting it? So this particular one is very, very good. So this particular one is very, very good. Now let's use this as our base. Just open it, all of it. Then you add this nano. Just, you see this nano. I'm using this as my organic right now. Then cross it with this nano. Are you getting it? This one we're doing is not to just get white. For those of you know white, those of us looking for 100 shades, 2 million shades. No, this is simple as ABC. This is going to give you like 3 shades. What we're about doing now is going to give us 3 shades. So you put all of this to this. Are you getting it? Yes, you put all of this and add to this. Then after that, you now bring your labijanis. All right, you add this labijanis to this two we've made mention. This labijanis and this argan oil and the nano avocado. You add it. You can use the carrot type, or you can still use avocado type. Are you getting it? You add this one and you bless. You know this is a whitening. They just say whitening, but it lightens. Are you getting it? Those two serum, the nano avocado and this, they just wrote whitening. My people, they are not whitening, they are lightening. I'll be using them. Okay? I'll be using them, they are lightening. And after that, I will advise you to add this your beauty series. You add this beauty series. So you blend these 4 oils together. When you blend them, it becomes promising, a pure promising that you promise from organic. Are you getting it? Or you promise organic to whitening, or how you may call it. So it's a pure blend that a lot of people might want to try it to see if it works. My dear, it works, but it's not going to whiten you, rather to give you this mild 3 shade. Do it yourself. Just do it yourself. That is why we call it do it yourself. It's a how to do, or do it yourself, DIYs. So sometimes give it a try. And if you want to, no, I want to make it boom. Now I cannot invite a concentrate, caramella. This is it. This is a caramella oil. We have caramella lotion, caramella oil. This one is a concentrate also. You cannot add this to it. You know, a lot of people, they ask you, I need oil to rub, to use, just to use as a lotion, oil to use. So this is it. Caramella oil is just like, if you don't want to use lotion, you don't want to use soap. You use your soap and you don't want to use any whitening soap. You just want to use only oil. When you don't bathing, you just use this one to rub. You go where you go. Before you see 1 week, you see result. You see this, and it doesn't, no side effect. Waka for the sun the way you want waka, no side effect. So you cannot add your caramella to the 4 oils if you want it to white you. Other than that, if you don't want to white, you want it to light, you can just use the Ega oil, the Nano, and the Beauty Series, and the La Bijanis. But if you want it to white you can add this caramella oil. Guys, try the caramella oil. This is the caramella oil. Just try it, you will see. Anywhere you are, try it. For those of us who say, I need oil that I want to use, I want to use this oil alone. Use the caramella oil. That's why I've been telling you guys something. If you know that this thing is what works for you most, use it. Don't go change it. Don't go change it. Are you getting it? So this one you can use alone. I've told you that the secret behind beauty is understanding. The secret behind whitening is understanding. Your formula is understanding. Your logics, the intuits about it. You don't want anybody to know. Fine. But the secret is understanding. If you don't understand all this formula, you will burn people and you will go to jail. Don't burn your skin and you regret it when you are above 40, 50. Don't condemn your skin. Use the right product. Sometimes, because you see Mrs. A using some lotion, don't go and use what they put hydroquinone. Hydroquinone can be only used when it's been a doctor prescription, or when you're whoever that your dermatologist advise you to use, and it should be on not a regular basis. It should be once in a while, and at least 2%. Don't go buy those ones they put cream, they put hydroquinone or any. Please don't destroy your skin. Beauty, this body, just only maintain it. With this oil I've shown you, you can do a lot for yourself. All you just need to do, if you like, as I told you, you can use those 4 oils to lighten up. If you want to whiten it, you can get this. That's all. Thank you.